Hey, welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today I'm working on the 2023 Venom Thunder 125cc dirt bike again. And I'm going to put a little bit of bling on it today. Not only does it make it look good, it also provides you a little bit of protection riding through the woods of your hands getting slapped by trees and stuff. So these are going to come in kind of handy. I'll put a link in the description for these. But I think the color matches pretty well. You never can get color to match exactly perfect, but it matches pretty well, and I think it's going to complement the bike really good. So let's get started installing them. Okay, first you get a couple of these brackets that hold your guards on your handlebars. Pro Caken, however you pronounce it. So we'll take these off, or loosen them anyway. And then there's a bolt right here that we're going to have to take out. Okay, we want to take our guard, and we got our bracket, and we want to put our bracket in the hole and slide it down. And then once you get the bracket in place, the bolt should go right through. Like that. And this little pocket back here, if you put the nut on this side instead of this side, it kind of holds the nut. And it's got a locking thread on it, locking agent. And then once you get it started in that opening, and just run it down. There we go. Now that's ready to install. I've already got the other one done. So of course you want the name that you can read facing that way. You don't want it upside down. And you want to try to put this in some place to where it's going to look nice and still be functional. And you want these brackets to dip down, not up, for the way I'm going to be installing it. So what I decided to do is all this stuff's kind of in the way. So I'm going to move these, take these loose and move this closer to the inside of the bike. Like that. And then they give you a collar to put on your bar. So just set that on there. And then we could put this on like so. And start our other one. I want it all the way up against the throttle housing, as close as tight as I could get it. And kind of level it up however you want it, whatever suits you. And I think that's pretty good right there. Okay. And then I'll just take my housing and bring it close and tighten it back down. And I want it touching if I can. Kind of go back and forth on these. Looks good. Okay, now I want to put this other one in this area right here. So I'm going to relocate this kill switch to another location. That should come out. like that. I'll reattach that in a second. Then we'll take our other side guard. We'll take our bolts all the way out. And then we'll take our collar and put on here, like that. We'll mount this on here. Start our screws and tighten it down. Gotta make sure they're even on height. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So then we'll tighten it down. Okay, now for our kill switch, I think we'll move this guy somewhere up in here. There we go. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's done. I think it matches really good, looks good, very functional. When you're riding, your hands are right behind these, so nothing will happen to your hands. You got plenty of room between it. You got room to the outside of it, so you're protected well. All right, well that's it. Quick, easy installation. I think that's going to be very functional. I think it's going to be nice for protection for your hands. Man, it's kind of good looking to the bike too. I think the color matches well. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description for them in case you want to get them. In case you get a orange Thunder, which they're all orange. They either have black or white. The accents are either black or they're white. But if you get one and you want to install them, nothing to it. Simple, simple, simple thing to do. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.